Hi there, this is Mohammad Abbas from Computer Tech Skill. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about mark entry in the 10th class of Microsoft Word for Beginners. Let's try to understand about mark entry that is present in index group. Let me make you understand about mark entry by typing some names. For example, A4, I can say airplane, and apricot. B for bag, or you can say ball. C for cap. C for call. I'm typing some words that whether or not it is giving some sort of meaning, and let's try to type some more. And also D4. I have almost typed 7 names. So you can observe that airplane, this word starts from A letter, apricot, A letter, bag, B letter, and similarly you can observe the rest of the 4 words. So what I have to do, you can also use mark entry option as a dictionary. Dictionary is something that is giving the meaning of any of the words unless I am clicking any of the word. So for example, I have selected airplane and go for mark entry, go for cross reference, and over there you can type. If I don't want to give meaning to all of these words, I have to be going for the same thing like airplane. This is what I have to type. And let's try to go for the second one. Try to close this. Apricot, cross reference. This is something that you can also mean the word. Apricot, mark, close. Try to go for bag. Repeat the process. Bag, mark, close. You can also mean that something differently, but I want to give the same thing what I have selected. Ball, cap, call is something that if you want to call someone, go for this one. How can we remove the extra words or the extra options or the extra dots that are coming there? Let's try to go for home, and over there you can find this option which is known as show hide. Click on that and try to go for references back and try to enter 2 or 3 times, and you can find there insert index. If you want to go for insert index, over there you can find the formats. There are many sort of formats. For example, if you want to go for classic one, this is something which is resulting like that. I personally like fancy, which I am using most probably. If you want to go for fancy, you can also go for fancy. Modern, you can also go for modern. So that depends upon your choice. You can also try that and play with it. So let's try to go for fancy and hit OK. You can see that there are maybe sections made, or you can say any word that will start from any of the letter will be counted in the same letter. You can see that there is a sort of box that is made and sort of letter is also there, and any word that will start from the same letter will be counted in the same letter or in the same category or section. And also you can see B, any word that will start from B will be counted or will be added to B, and also C and also D. Let me edit some more. Like watch and zebra. So let's try to repeat the same process which I have done with all of these words. Try to select the watch and go for references, mark entry, cross reference. Watch means is something watch. Mark that, close that, and also select zebra. Let me go back one step, try to go for home and click there. Let me retype zebra because something awkward happened, and this time try to select watch, go for references, mark entry, try to go for zebra, mark entry, cross reference, close. Let's try to remove all of the extra things that are present by going to home and click on this option. So what I have to do is to go for references, and over there I can find update index. It cannot work unless I select all of the table. So try to select the table and go for update index. So this is something is working. I think you can see that also W is coming and also Z is coming. So you can try this and you can use that according to your use. You can also use that as dictionary. You can also use any of the word that will start from any of the letter, and you can categorize that. So this is what I have taught you in today's tutorial. That was something related to mark entry. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.